Today, I will create this cool advertising poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Select the size 736 into 920 pixels. Change the background color to the gradient. I will share all the color codes and image links in the description. Upload product image. Remove the background. Rotate to 14-degree angle. Go to Elements and search for the two rounded rectangle shape. Select this. Change the color to coffee color. Change the position to backward. Duplicate it. Add a shadow. Change the position under the product image. Search for the coffee bean. Select this. Change the transparency to 15. Duplicate it a few times. Add a coffee leaves. Remove the background. Go to Edit and select the fresco filter. Change the position to backward. Add a shadow under the leaves. Add a text. Change the color. Change the font to Montserrat. Duplicate this and write the other details. Add the Nescafe logo. Select the product image. Go to Edit. Contrast 40, and Vibrance will be 20. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.